pill.
Explaining PARP1 inhibitors and protein interactions. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of PARP1 inhibitors and their interactions with proteins. If you've ever wondered how these compounds work in the fight against cancer and neurodegenerative diseases, you're in the right place. So, let's start with the basics. PARP1, or poly-ADP-ribose polymerase 1, is an enzyme that plays a crucial role in repairing damaged DNA. Think of it as a mechanic for your cells, fixing up the damage that can occur due to various stressors. However, in certain cancers, especially those with BRCA mutations, PARP1 becomes a bit of a double-edged sword. These cancer cells rely heavily on PARP1 to survive because they can't repair their DNA effectively on their own. This reliance on PARP1 is what led scientists to discover a concept called synthetic lethality. This is where PARP1 inhibitors come into play. By blocking PARP1, these inhibitors prevent cancer cells from repairing their DNA, ultimately leading to cell death. It's like cutting off the mechanic's tools, leaving the car, or in this case, the cancer cell, unable to function. Now, let's talk about some of the key players in the PARP1 inhibitor family. You might have heard of drugs like olaparib, talazoparib, and niraparib. These are designed to bind to PARP1 and stop it from doing its job. But how do they do that? Well, the secret lies in their structure. PARP1 inhibitors have specific features that enhance their binding to the PARP1 enzyme. For example, they often contain an amide group and a bicyclic ring. These elements allow the inhibitors to form strong interactions with PARP1, like a key fitting into a lock. Let's break it down a bit more. When olaparib binds to PARP1, it engages in hydrophobic interactions with certain amino acids, like TIR896 and TIR907. These interactions are crucial because they help stabilize the inhibitor in the active site of PARP1, preventing it from repairing DNA. But PARP1 inhibitors aren't just for cancer treatment. They also show promise in neurodegenerative diseases. For instance, olaparib has been shown to improve survival and neurological function in models of Huntington's disease. It reduces neuroinflammation and protects against cell death. Researchers are even working on mitochondria-targeting PARP1 inhibitors. These special compounds aim to enhance selectivity and reduce side effects related to mitochondrial dysfunction. Imagine having a targeted missile instead of a shotgun approach, much more precise. Looking ahead, the landscape of PARP1 inhibitors is evolving. While we know they can be effective, understanding the underlying causes of PARP1 activation is just as important. Researchers are exploring how aging impacts PARP1 activity and how we might combine PARP inhibitors with other treatments for better outcomes. In summary, PARP1 inhibitors represent a promising therapeutic approach, not only in cancer but also in neurodegenerative diseases. By targeting PARP1, we can enhance neuronal survival and potentially slow down disease progression. It's an exciting time in the world of medical research. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content on groundbreaking science. Let us know in the comments what topics you'd like us to cover next. Until next time, stay curious.
Form a pill.